eggs in the diet of cats. Good afternoon, dear viewer. The most useful and interesting information just for you. I wish you all goodness, happiness, love and a peaceful sky. So let's go. The egg is one of the most common and popular foods due to its ease of preparation and availability. But how does the cat's body react to this product, and does it pose a threat to her health? Raw egg, benefits and risks. An egg for a cat is in most cases a treat. It's no secret that raw eggs can pose a significant threat to both humans and animals. Eating a raw egg is associated with the risk of salmonella poisoning, which in some cases can be very dangerous to the health of any creature. Therefore, the only proven way to protect against poisoning is to cook a hard-boiled egg. In addition to salmonella, another potential threat from raw eggs is avidin, a biotin antagonist. This is a protein that, when consumed in excessive amounts, can cause a deficiency of biotin, that is, vitamin H. The binding of biotin to avidin completely inhibits the body's absorption of this vitamin. Vitamin H deficiency leads to lesions such as inflammation of the skin and tongue, atrophy of the warts, seborrhea, hair loss, anemia, high cholesterol, depression, apathy, drowsiness, muscle pain, sensory hypersensitivity, metabolic and urinary and nervous system disorders, loss of appetite and general weakness. Contrary to popular belief that raw eggs improve the condition of the coat and skin in cats, excess avidin can be manifested by poor condition of the coat, inflammation of the skin. As a result, the cat's skin becomes gray-white and begins to peel off. Therefore, veterinarians do not recommend haphazardly giving raw eggs to cats. Raw eggs, however, contain a number of ingredients that are very beneficial to human and animal health. Egg yolk is a storehouse of vitamins and nutrients. One of them is lutein, which has a positive effect on the nervous system, brain function and prevents damage to the retina. Valuable omega-3 and omega-6 polyunsaturated fatty acids are found in egg yolk, as is biotin. Therefore, if you decide to give your cat a raw egg, it is best to give her the yolk, a source of biotin, and the protein, which contains avidin, less often. Boiled egg for a cat, what properties does it have? It has been proven that avidin loses its ability to bind biotin as a result of boiling the egg. This means that a boiled egg in its full form can be safely added to your pet's diet. On the other hand, a boiled egg loses a significant amount of its nutritional content, and the impact on your cat's health and well-being will not be as noticeable as when eating a raw egg. Thus, egg white is best given to a cat cooked. And the yolk, which contains a number of valuable nutrients, is preferable raw, but the risk of salmonella remains. Therefore, the eggs must be from a trusted manufacturer and fresh. On the other hand, you should not consider raw eggs as the only source of valuable nutritional components. It is worth noting that the egg is very often found in cat food and, therefore, the necessary ingredients enter the diet. In addition, eggshell is a rich source of calcium, which strengthens the skeletal system of young kittens. The shell also contains selenium, zinc and silicon, which have a beneficial effect on the cat's immunity. Chicken eggs can be replaced with quail eggs. They are more delicate in taste and contain more nutrients. A boiled egg can be given to a pet as an independent dish, as well as with porch or cottage cheese. Raw, a cat can drink from a bowl. Veterinarians categorically do not recommend giving fried eggs to any animal, as they are difficult to digest and can lead to disturbances in the digestive system. Any product, no matter how useful, can be harmful to a pet's health if given in excess. It is enough for adult cats to give an egg 2 to 3 times a week, and for kittens, only from the age of 1.5 months once a week. If your cat is getting a quality, nutritious diet, you don't have to feed her raw or boiled eggs. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like, leave your comments. I wish you all love, happiness, kindness and a peaceful sky.